Hi, I'm Aaron Hawkins from Exentium, a leading digital agency and trusted Contentstack partner. What if you could understand your website's visitors' interests and intent the moment they arrive? That's exactly what happens when you combine Contentstack with Lytics. Today, I'll show you how this integration transforms anonymous website traffic into actionable customer intelligence that drives real business results. Most businesses are flying blind with their digital visitors. You know someone visited your pricing page, but you don't know if they're a small startup or an enterprise prospect. You see traffic spikes, but can't identify which visitors are most likely to convert. That changes with Lytics. Let me show you what most businesses see when they look at their website traffic. These are your website visitors. Completely anonymous, seemingly random. Marketing teams see these as just numbers in Google Analytics. Sales teams miss the opportunity to engage when interest is at its peak. But here's where Lytics transforms everything. Lytics automatically identifies patterns and begins organizing these anonymous visitors into meaningful groups. Watch how the chaos becomes clarity. Visitors who showed similar behaviors, engagement patterns, and intent signals start clustering together. This isn't just data collection, this is customer intelligence that reveals who your visitors really are and what they're looking for. Now, instead of random traffic, you have organized segments based on actual behavior and intent. Each cluster represents a different opportunity that requires a different approach. Let me show you how this works with a real visitor. This person landed on our demo site completely anonymous. No email, no forms, no previous relationship. Yet look at the intelligence Lytics captured in just 27 minutes. This visitor generated 20 page views in a single session, spending high quality time on our content. Look at these engagement scores. Intensity at 99, momentum at 99, and recency at 99. These aren't casual browsing numbers. This person is highly engaged and actively researching. Their journey tells a story. They started by visiting our contact page first, showing buying intent. Then they explored our blog, reading about AI, cloud ecosystems, and business analytics. This is someone evaluating solutions. The system placed them into 17 behavioral segments, including deeply engaged users and first-time visitor. They're new to our site, but immediately showed deep engagement patterns. That's a high-value prospect. They're browsing from Texas during business hours, perfect for regional sales team follow-up and targeted outreach. Here's where Contentstack makes this intelligence actionable. Instead of showing this highly engaged Texas visitor our generic homepage, we can instantly personalize their experience based on their behavior and interests. This starter site demonstrates that power. By default, our hero banner shows generic messaging, but knowing this visitor's engagement with AI content and Texas location, we can personalize it to show relevant case studies, direct them to our regional sales office, or highlight AI solutions. This visitor represents a segment of highly engaged B2B prospects researching AI solutions. Lytics helps you identify these patterns across your entire audience. You might discover that Texas visitors reading AI content convert 40% higher than average, or that contact page visitors have 3 times higher lifetime value. These insights transform your marketing spend, content strategy, and your sales approach. Think about your current conversion rates. What would a 10% improvement mean to your revenue? That's what happens when you identify and engage prospects at exactly the right moment. This visitor represents dozens of similar prospects visiting your site every week. Instead of letting them browse anonymously, you now have the intelligence to engage with them with the right message at the right time. Ready to see what this could look like for your business? Let's talk about transforming how you engage with your customers.